Yes, good afternoon. So this is a video. It's a 2002 Mercury Villager for the 6-cylinder. The car came into my shop with no start condition. It was misfiring. The complaint with the customer, and then quit running. So I check this thing real quick. I checked for injector pulse. There was injector pulse. So that means if you have injector pulse and check with the computer and you show revolutions when you crank it, like 100 revolutions, 180 revolutions, and then you have injector pulse, that means your crank sensor is good. But except your cam sensor or the distributor or all the internals. So we end up replacing just the distributor. It's all one piece, all one unit. It's not that expensive, and that fixed the problem. The car is running like a champ, and that's it.